Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a document from OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. This ensures you have access to all your stored files and can manage them directly from your browser. After signing in, wait for a moment while the login process completes and you're redirected to your OneDrive dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can view, organize, and manage all your files and folders stored in the cloud. The dashboard gives you a complete overview of everything you've uploaded to OneDrive. Now, to delete a document from OneDrive, start by navigating to the left side menu. Here, you'll see several options for organizing your files. Click on the My Files option. This is where all your personal files are located and stored, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you're in My Files, simply browse through your folders and documents until you locate the file you want to remove. When you've found the file you want to delete, select it by clicking on the small check mark that appears next to it. This check mark lets OneDrive know which specific file you're targeting for deletion. You can also select multiple files at once if you need to delete more than one document, which saves time if you're cleaning up your storage. Once your file is selected, you'll notice that file options appear at the top of the screen. Look for and click on the Delete option. This button is specifically designed to remove files from your OneDrive storage. After clicking Delete, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This is OneDrive's way of making sure you actually want to delete the file, preventing accidental deletions that could lead to lost work. From this confirmation window, go ahead and click on Delete again to proceed with removing the document. Your file will now be moved to the recycle bin, where it stays for a limited time before being permanently deleted. This gives you a safety net in case you accidentally delete something important and need to restore it later. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a document from OneDrive and cleared up some storage space. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.